Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and just do a second video on these x-intercepts because I think they could be a little confusing, and instead of moving on to something new. So I kind of thought we were going to move on to something new, and then I thought more about it, so I decided to go ahead and do another video on x-intercepts. Okay, so let's take a look here. We've got parenthesis x plus 7 cubed, we've got x plus 5, we've got x squared plus 1, and then x minus 3 parenthesis to the fourth power. Okay, so we want to find all the x-intercepts. Again, remember, even with that power 3, we just take what's in the parentheses, set it equal to 0, and solve. Since it's x plus 7, I'm going to minus 7. Everybody see that? So I get a negative 7, 0 minus 7, negative 7. But again, guys, I have a power 3, so that is multiplicity 3. Okay, that's multiplicity 3. Okay, and there's our first answer. Okay, I'll put a little squiggle. Okay, got x plus 5. Set that equal to 0. Now, here's the thing. There's no power up here. There's no multiplicity, is there? There's nothing up here, so I minus 5, and boom, I'm done. I mean, there's no multiplicity. So x equals negative 5 is finished. Okay? Now, again, hopefully you start recognizing, again, when you have a square inside, that's going to cause a problem. Because, okay, I'm minus 1. Okay, so I've got x squared equals, okay, 0 minus 1 is a negative 1. Remember, to get rid of square, we square root. We square root. We actually get just... Now, this one's kind of interesting because 1, remember, square root of negative 1 was just I. Okay, there's no... I mean, if I take out the negative 1, there's no other number, so it's just I. But remember, this is no x-intercept. Okay, so that has no x-intercept. So if you get the letter I, there's no x-intercept at all for that. Okay, the last one, I've got x minus 3 with a power 4. Okay, to get rid of minus 3, I plus 3. So x equals 3. But again, because of that 4, I have multiplicity 4. Okay, and that's your answers. So again, negative 7, multiplicity 3. So again, I solved the plus 7 with a multiplicity 3. The x plus 5 is just by itself. There's no power, so that's by itself. The x squared plus 1 became the I, so that's no x-intercept. X minus 3, I solved, got a positive 3, and then multiplicity 4 because my power 4 up there. Okay, let's do one more example over here, and then you'll have your problem to do for your assignment. Okay, right off the bat, I've got my x squared, don't I? So x squared plus 6 equals 0. Okay, I got a minus 6 from both sides. So I've got x squared equals negative 6. To get rid of x squared, remember square root. Okay, and that's the problem. I get the letter I, so that negative inside. Now this one, because I've got that 6 stays. But again, just like that other one over here, anytime you get I, there's no x-intercept. Okay, so that's what we put, no x-intercept. So because I got the letter I. Okay, the second one here, I've got x plus 2. X plus 2 goes with 0. To get rid of plus 2, I minus 2. So x is negative 2. But again, because that power 3, I've got multiplicity 3. Okay. Keep going. I've got x minus 4 equal to 0, but there's no power up there. So if I solve minus 4, I do a plus 4, right? That cancels. So x equals positive 4. And since there's no number up here, there's no multiplicity, that's finished. So x equals 4 is finished. Okay, last one, I've got x minus 9 with a power 2 up here. But again, it's on the outside. Again, guys, remember the power 2 inside with the square, that's when I got that I thing. But here I got the power 2 on the outside, so that's going to be the multiplicity. To get rid of minus 9, I plus 9, right? So x equals 9. And again, because of that 2, I have multiplicity 2. Okay. And that is our answer on that one. Okay. So again, hopefully this is making more sense the second time through. And you kind of get the hang of that. So again, here's your assignment. Okay. So go ahead and work on that. Enter in your answers that's x squared plus 4. Okay, that second parentheses is x squared plus 4. I think the rest of those are pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so again, work on that, enter that into your post, and you'll get your credit. And we will see you next week. Or actually spring break, after spring break. So have a good spring break. Enjoy yourself. Relax. I know it's weird, and I'm keeping you guys all in prayer with your families, that everybody stays healthy, okay? So keep that up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.